Hey everyone, Halloween is just around the corner, and you know what that means? It's time to make something magical. Look at this little guy. We're going to bring this adorable, festive frog to life. It's a super fun project and absolutely perfect for the whole family to do together.
All right, you ready to get started? First things first, we've got to gather up all our magical ingredients. And don't worry, you won't need a wizard's spellbook for this one. All you need is some colorful felt, a needle and thread, some fluffy stuffing to make him nice and cuddly, and of course, a couple of little buttons for his eyes. See? Super simple.
Okay, got all your supplies? Awesome. Now, for the really fun part, we get to actually bring our little frog's body together and watch him start to take shape.
So here's what you're going to do. First, you'll connect the belly and back pieces, make sure they're inside out. Then stitch him up, but, and this is important, remember to leave a little opening. Once that's done, you flip him right side out and just stuff him as full as you can. We want a nice, plump, cuddly frog. When he's all filled up, you just sew that little hole closed. Easy peasy. Okay, so we have a frog-shaped pillow, but now it's time to give him some personality. This is where he really starts to come alive and gets his own unique charm. And the very first thing we have to decide is, what kind of eyes is he going to have? I mean, the eyes are everything, right? They give him his whole personality. We're just using some simple buttons here, but seriously, you can get so creative with this. The pattern actually suggests using 2 different sizes or maybe even different colors. How cool would that be? It'll give him this really fun, quirky look. All right, he's got a face. Now he needs some arms and legs. We're going to attach his little paws with this really neat button technique. What's cool about it is that it lets them swing and move around freely. It just makes him so much more fun to play with. Okay, he is looking so cute, but he's not quite ready for Halloween, is he? Come on, every magical creature needs an awesome costume for the big night. So let's get this little guy dressed up for the party. And here it is, the whole shebang. First up, a classic pointy witch hat. You gotta have that. Then this super stylish cape, which, by the way, you can decorate with polka dots or whatever you want. And of course, what's a Halloween witch without a little buddy? A tiny, adorable pumpkin companion. And just like that, he's done. With his costume on and his little pumpkin friend by his side, our magical Halloween frog is officially complete. He is totally ready for an adventure. So, what do you do with this little charmer now that he's finished? Well, he would make an amazing, heartfelt gift for a friend. I mean, who wouldn't love this? Or you could just find the perfect spot for him in your house to add a little bit of that handmade magic to your Halloween decor. Just take a second and look at what you made. A totally unique and magical little friend. Now that you've seen how easy it is to bring a character like this to life, it just makes you wonder, what are you going to be inspired to create next? Happy crafting, everyone!